If you wanna get some fun, I said if you wanna get some fun, to your TV, to Naija TV. You know what it is? It's your boy LC. I can't see anything here, but the only thing I can see right now is Naija TV. So don't even think of touching. Don't touch that at all. Naija TV.
Yes, okay, without show back like a lot. Yes, and I still dey break Naija on top of your Tekpele TV, Naija TV. And now like this, if you see this gang where they like this, say, you gonna know say na Waki Sword.
We don't complete. We don't complete.
Ray of the Remembrance Ministry.
Tata.
How your matter be now?
Tata.
Arrest me properly. You know, you see person wey yesterday to carry President Kapu for head, they still call me Tata. You know, get
Senator Tata.
Oh God, distinguished Senator Tata.
Malam.
Distinguished Senator Tata.
Your cap pink. Your top pink. Mommy pink. Even me say pink. Everybody pink.
The ministry of the man of God, everything.
It's a penguin ministry.
Oh, because yes, so we don't reach where we go gas motivate we serve like this, so that everything go dey kajali kajad. And I do be more jump enter the first Waki Sword and Ray of the Remembrance Ministry go handle them. Ready? Oh yeah now. The first Waki Sword like this, carry on they come Waki Sword segmental.
As they all small Africa.
Okay.
My people, now we're done. The first Waki Sword for this time we say na catapult where they drop back where they go far. Mommy, na catapult where they drop go back where and they go far.
Oh,
catapult where they draw
they draw back where.
You see, it be like say the thing the nyanos, certain the nyanos we say, na pikin where they train well, they useful.
Oh, because
you know go train your pikin, you know go even set down well. Like pikin now, although some people now we go secondary school, they successful. But you get the kind of education where you go give your pikin. Get the kind of training where you go give your pikin. That pikin. No be person go tell this pikin supposed
everything
to.
go set for
you go set. You don't already plan now.
On time.
You go just say. You go just
everything go they go see well. You understand?
I tell you, na catapult they draw back well, cautiously well, and now they go far. Second say, now person we prepare well, now they go far. And so if you check all these people now, where they call extraordinary people, the only thing we change them from the ordinary people, now that extra.
Now that extra.
And what's that extra? Now the extra effort. So now person we prepare well, now picky where they train well, now woman we cook well, now pastor we pray well, now everything we do well. Now they go far.
You just made me remember this thing. No be our people talk.
I just want baby now your people not talk anything today. May your people not talk.
Now Bible talk am.
Okay.
This matter just like if your foundation solid, you understand. If you peng, anything where you build on top am, you go stand. You understand. If you prepare and well, but if your foundation can't dey
shaky,
Bible asks, wetin the righteous go do.
So, but the thing go can't help if your foundation
so may prepare, may solid.
You know, so some people they go say because I not get my family no get money, so me I no go make them. No, you go make them. No be saying because your family no get money. You go hustle, break that yoke.
I tell you
that poverty.
Even Prophet Patoranke talk am. Nobody will no fit to make am. Na person wey na woman wey cook well, they go pay double bride price for.
Now we go marry.
Na man, we do well,
now we go marry.
Now we go marry. If you check like women, they call their husband name according to what the osusu where they bring for food. You don't know?
If you don't get Papa Chijoke.
If they bring, they drop 1 million as osusu money, osusu for food. They're gonna call you baby, sweetheart, king of my heart. If they drop 50K, you go just answer my word. If they drop 1K5, Papu go. But if you could not drop at all, I beg on this life, you don't balance like this.
I swear, life will be balanced.
Okay. So they say another one. They say who the old landlord, you know the fries to wake curry day inside.
You don't be try them. They don't burn you well. If you don't leave offensive.
You can't pray again. If that with the as landlord perceive the scent, you go just enter because you go to say everything don't do.
If you don't leave offensive, enter away the old landlord. You get some things you no go do. Even if they do general yard meeting, others the resident they contribute people against landlord. They talk say landlord, what did they do for this company? No good. Now go they make peace. Say no, calm down. No, they follow landlord talk.
Tata, even if na afole money, people wey dey sweep compound money never pay. No talk of landlord.
Hey.
If you cook any soup, I think they'll go past. See, now so brother Tata they cook. He never pay for afole. He never pay for parking. He never pay for this. So if you don't say you owe landlord,
if you know
say fry turkey.
If you know say you no get anything, no they show yourself. Now wetin the thing they try they tell no too they show yourself. You know that some people they know that they go borrow their friend clothes, go use them, go show and die. You know
those kind of people. Waiting they prove.
Then they prove. I don't know that be the thing. That is why they say the person who the old landlord know they. So you no get. You no get.
No do pass yourself. Carry as they go. On any IED. Who the old landlord, you know, they fries, you wake on day inside. So even my own landlord, if you dey want, you get the kind of bag where you go carry come back. You don't even know what's in there inside the bag. You go pay me rent that time. If you just see colored bag, my landlord they are allergic to colored bag. If you dey want, you just carry colored bag, enter compound,
just shine.
And even if you're the old landlord, you know go if you be woman, you know go change hairstyle. That way you go carry on until
you pay. Make myself the light step fast. They come bring that kind crazy bill now. So you know concern me, I can't go do hair, I can't go do hair, and they come they say, see, person wait till they want pay.
She said she don't get money.
See the hair where she carry for hair.
You know what I tell like face me and face you say everybody for face me and face you. We know our financial status. We know who know who. We don't know who know who.
You don't get secret. All your matter, everybody know.
I tell you. So, Wakis what segment to carry they come. I see they hot. Yes, so back to back. Yes, so. Who they hungry? No be they no good. Okay, who they hungry? No they be judged for cooking competition at all because everybody go win.
No, for you.
If person where they hungry,
because you don't eat.
Now that they drive am. What do you expect?
If Mr. A bring it on, so If Mr. Bring if Mr. D. If you tell me call result, go tell you say all of them are good. They sabi cook. So this is the tell you say you get the kind of position where you go say. This is you just be like that way. My own people they also talk. They go tell you say I name me on your base. Person poor man on your biam and always say poor man no be king no go the king. So you go the short bribe. You go the short bribe.
Because you know everything go the enter in your eyes. They shook am for eye.
Just check now. All these people where they make councillor for all this ward. Where we say they don't hustle for community, just make them councillor. You go all the practice.
The players now, everything just
they go the hold them. You just made me remember this matter where we say our palliatives.
Hey.
Our palliatives, they use them as souvenirs.
And I don't understand.
People get married though. People get married.
When the people they're hungry, some people don't use that because the money no then they go make the people where they're hungry.
They hold them. They don't even hold them only. They still go use them as
birthday souvenir. Make I call her. Make I call. I don't get fitter. They go use them for.
It shocked me. Still shock me.
This is surprise.
So this is you get the kind of position where you go there for life. You don't suppose to trust that person.
Yeah, so.
I tell you, now real matter. You get the kind of position where you go there for life. You don't be like that time where we did school. I say, get one guy we there 43 for class. The guy will they score 42nd out of 43 people for class. If they own no person when they score 43rd, come the advice and say the way say make him take him book serious. Imagine that kind of thing. So who they hungry like this? I know they be judged for cooking competition. Can they come? Wakis what segment to? Oh yeah, Ray of the Remembrance Ministry.
This one talks say monkey they show you banana.
Okay, there we go.
No mean say go give you banana.
They say how they even put them say. For the first say I go show you how to do business. No mean say na me be that business. Na me go still give you that money where you go use finance this. I think I don't show you the way. You need hustle.
I tell you.
Make that put them for practice as in make that thing they successful. No they say no like one. Ma to like we taking a jiggy.
If I marry for you.
If I marry for you, you are right.
Will I belle for you?
I understand.
That is this I talk.
You dey very very right.
No be say if I marry wife for you, na me go still impregnate your wife. Na me go still press mattress for you people. So say monkey they show you banana no mean say you go give you banana.
You know fit. You understand? You don't see a monkey give person banana.
For where? You go just dey.
Hey, monkey. Oh. If monkey give you banana, just observe yourself very well. It's either on a day related. Look, use mirror.
You know they possible self.
Naturally, you talk, Mommy Gio. This is just like say many person they show you like
money na
opportunity. You understand? Is that possible if he show you no hand am over to you?
Yeah.
You understand? Now you dey see am. Go dey do you like this.
I tell you.
This is just so now you go come add extra effort. Okay, as you no give me, you don't show me. I don't see am. Make me self come. Struggle towards am.
This one now, it doesn't let me waiting my daddy the Lord. That when I did theology school, when I still did theology school, he's the main daddy Gio. By Daddy Govi. Daddy Govi tell me say that when he still there university, when they go do rat day. Now so they waka enter one bros shop. They do
bro they can't money.
The bros they can't money. Say money no dey, when una dey go. They say bros help us na the amount 1, 2, 5,000, 6,000. Money no dey. 7,000, 8,000. Money I say this country 8,000, 9,000. This country hard. These children know dey 5,000, 19,000. As in the guy say the day they look the guy, he can't money finish, put am for pocket. That means na just typical example. You get some people say because your uncle get money, you go think say he go give you.
No give you.
Number one, no law say your uncle must help you. Most just face the fact. No law talk say your papa them must train you in school. See, now good parents, sometimes it vex me say that way I they always go back to whether they school. Some people they go call their pele or their mele for house. They go they shout for them say send me money, I'll come back home. If you come back home, what they do?
You do yourself.
If they not decide to send, they don't go beat them. So may we use our upper. So more can they come working towards segmento. Yes, so can they come for my social.
For your social.
My social.
But if that will happen, you go help me.
I didn't concern men of God.
They say pastor when they pray for madman, no they closing eye, no they close eye pray. Pastor,
madman no they close eye pray.
That time for this if you
my people talk say you wetin my people talk say koju maribi gbogbo ara logun may I for no see evil na all your body like this now you go take day at alert.
Okay, there because
you wan pray for mad person
you go close your eyes
for where they
say never even dey so and some of all these pastors they not even say they get the gift too not just that they want to prove.
I tell you,
so they want to go and
just want to go and heal a madman.
Don't say madman, they get different this thing
they get different stages of madness.
Get the one say they know they take eye they see man and they are man of God want to pray.
I say this just made me that when we did theology school for IT what they do. We just enter church that the pastor carry Bible give one and say enter the street, preach the gospel, win a soul. Don't come back here without a soul. We enter. Now I see one bros just sit on a cack on the own. I don't know say that bros no normal. He just cack on the own. I wear tie that day. I just one bros be one rush go preach for him. Now me share the bros. Come on, move there. I go cack for the bros. And he told us me to sit down. I come face the bros like this, and my tie be the dangle. I tell her say bros, good morning. I don't know say na madman when they think of how you take mad. Just they think of a life how you take mad. As I just saw that time, I tell bros, good morning, can do like this for me. I just say nah, the spirit. I say thank you, Jesus.
You say thank you, Jesus.
Before I go open Bible, I can't notice say I don't my neck don't tight. I say the spirit, Lord speak to me. When I notice the bros don't hold my tie like this, they draw this.
Now you go come the beg. You got the beg for your life.
But seriously, you get the kind of condition where you go pastor where they pray for madman. It just like this way they go tell you say if you shop with devil, you don't roll. You get the kind of people where you go to deal with for this life, you go chop caution. People where you know say you know supposed trust, but that business don't make una come together. You go just chop caution. In fact, if they apply this caution of a thing for anything they do for this life, whether business or even relationship, if you fall in love, I beg duplicate some. Because heartbreak is really low. So even if you marry with caution, use your upper. Anything they do for this, like apply caution.
That's this is the way you talk. It made me remember it I see on my phone this was not yesterday. You know what you talk. You say all the energy where I take invest on top love. If I take and learn mechanic, I go just happy to repair train.
Don't forget Uncle Reno.
That
energy where you go spend, where you go invest on side chick, invest of your business.
Side business.
So that way you go use invest in your girlfriend.
That high libido for pano. Use the high libido for business. Yes, so carry they come. Wakis one segment. So yes, so carry they come. Carry they come. Yes, so be careful when naked person they give you clothes, may you wear.
You never they say remove the thing wait there for your eyes before you remove the one wait there for another person.
Don't be like a person they stack naked like this, come carry clothes. Give you say, come cover your body, cover your body.
You go first ask them, you don't cover your body.
And I go always draw enter where this thing come. And forget say I know they fear this time. So I go call them because I be elder statement. Yesterday I be tell you something about one woman like this say when they give people advice. You just be like wait came me. Came me they give people relation and marriage advice. Person when they even know what marriage day. You never live with man before. You can't give you advice, you they take them. And they tell people if they take advice from people who don't grow old. Remember say foolish people say they grow old.
Yes, that's so now.
So if they take any advice or anything from people, always know say, in fact, I always tell people say everything, every gift, they come with a clause. Even Santa come with clause. Now why did they call it Santa Claus? You know if you just come and say Santa give me this without Santa collecting something in return.
Santa, my people they talk say anybody ma fún ni láṣọ wọ̀ torun e lawo that is person wey go give you clothes wear you go check the one wey dey in body first. Everything now you person wey wan give you clothes to wear check the one wey himself dey wear. You understand? Person where they both say you want help, you want do this, you want do that.
You don't help yourself.
Look am, check am.
You never help yourself. You want help another person.
Now the thing now.
Now my own people also talk say what if you dig in Anna before you
they collect
your eyes before you remove another person's.
Now the thing.
Even my people, my own people come agree with our own people.
Okay.
So the life day. So carry they come Wakin Sword segment. So carry they come Shapali Skoli. Yes, so as it dey hot. Okay.
Are you Auntie Rebe?
Rary of the Remembrance Ministry.
You don't reach me.
You don't reach me.
Oh, this one tie wrapper. It talk say the thing wey make egg strong for pot. Now you making am soft.
Oh, okay.
Now different. The same God wey create a poor person, now he create the rich person. God that are different destiny.
Circumstances.
No circumstances are different. Yes, so
and the kind approach where they get towards life. You know, say some people, Mark Clay, some of these people will they held today. Some of these my friends who are they held today because I did get a round table meeting with them. They ask them, they really give you money from childhood or now you use hand make yourself rich. The kind money where they they tell you say Bill Abajo we get. Be get they no born rich. In Papa no be rich. Now you use him hand make himself rich. So now to me. When they talk of poor people, some people now they use their hand or something orchestrate them. Say they born for poor family. No law talk say you go remain poor.
Now what's like they tell people sometimes one person let me not use the particular person talk. No go say wait till my papa send me go school. Your papa no send you go school no mean say you no go hustle send yourself go school.
Even if you no want go, make sure your own children go school. They do school swear for their family.
I don't know. Break that yoke.
Now one person they break yoke. Now one person. I beg your people talk anything.
Your people talk anything.
If I talk with my people talk.
What your people talk?
You feel fly come for share. So make I not talk with them talk now. But the thing is say it still remind me of the wakis what we do sometimes ago. We talk say the rain will fall on top sugar cane we make am sweet. I still fall on top.
Bitter leaf.
See, everybody for this life, we dey different. We get different different gifts, then different purpose. As English people they talk am. You understand? So something wey fit make you strong. If you be say na that strong, now you need for your own destiny. May you for shine.
Yeah.
And that person feel need to be soft. May for shine. You understand? So now the levels. I dey feel you, mommy. You dey feel me?
I dey feel you.
I calm down for wetin my people.
Rebecca. Anytime they talk like this, you touch my innermost chamber of my small intestinal gaga. You think of the man of God.
They say church wey no get loudspeaker no dey find new members. You know get last speaker. This some churches say you don't even need to beg anybody. Just last speaker where you don't mark them there.
Like the church where my street.
They say something that happened.
The church where my street. Because of that church, all of us don't decide say we go church. Because if you dey house, how the pastor go take they judge you. Okay, no because wait you go just hear. You at home! Hellfire! Fire! They speak loud. This pastor spend money buy 19 speaker fix for the full street. We ask a pastor, what's be that now? All of us don't call the members.
You remember the get one story why I hear where one man, the church where they for your house, the speaker the way they disturb this man. Now this man go buy his own. Go put a face up for that place where church today. So when I want to disturb me too. Because when no one making picking
I don't tell you.
Mama
This particular thing they always draw me to waiting I always tell people. I tell people say anything where they do. Always make sure say you dey tell people wetin you dey do. Yes, it's enough for you to you say you no wan blow your trumpet, just one pump it. You know say God and the technology don't make everything easy. Now why you get things like social media handle. Now you say you be tailor, you say you be fashion designer, but person go your wall. Understand? You no go see anything related to fashion. You know they even see clothing style. You no even see where you dey sew. You know say when you say you be something, people. Some people go just come click your this thing. They go go check wetin you get. You don't know where you don't know who be chairman of any company where they find who. Understand? Who will come check out your stuff and say, make I check this person up. Understand? Now why they tell people anything they do make it there related. Understand? Make your social media handles.
Let the world see you.
Let them see you. Don't lie yourself.
That's how they always see you. You see this the way you talk. You remind me of wetin my people talk.
Oh, God can then be called.
Mommy, my people talk say ipolowo lagun owo. That is to say advertisement na im be the antidote for business.
Talk am again. Advertisement na him be the antidote for business. I go use am for preaching next Sunday.
So you follow back.
I go use am to do preaching for
this Sunday. I dey use am for Kankara. You get am, you know they loud.
No dey show am.
How they want say no?
And the thing means say you get some people be say they get hidden talents. Or they never show am. But anytime when they show that,
I don't like I don't just want you go be as if I dey show myself. Bro, show yourself.
Show yourself. That's
blow your trumpet.
They go tell you say no blow your trumpet, bros. If you no blow, who go blow for you?
Nobody.
Now when you don't blow your trumpet, you go pipe blow. People when no say your trumpet, it is sound where they go come they help you. They blow.
And the thing be say, get some people be say, get some people then go do. That's the way they want to save. They go even do it better than another person. But now because they never even show
just pipe blow. You know say so fear. You see this way they call fear. Now why Bible tell you say fear na the opposite of faith? So, now Bible clear you say God no give you the spirit of fear. He no put fear in you. Understand? Now why they tell people anything where you feel say you feel do. Understand? No mind waiting people they talk.
No mind after even if you not do it because at first if you not do it well.
Now why I like footballers, sportsmen. You see sportsmen, now why I like them. They know they even listen to waiting pressmen they yarn. Say they go lose that match. They go see trend, go surprise them. So if you get that kind of spirit, bros, show yourself. That business way they do, show say yes, this business is basky. Can they call like this Wacky Sword segment? Sure.
No, not be me.
Not me. The man of God. Feel at home. Now you make visitors spoil remote.
They call them see finish. See finish, you know, because you know this now. You get
that? This is like you see that English. My million they carry and play. That year if you make my million verse, she could call say see finish.
I don't say
see finish. They bring in salt.
You go come to use it.
They don't sabi.
Now it's say you people they talk say over familiarity.
Over familiarity.
You get something where we say you go tell person, come on, feel free with me, feel free with me. Before you go no insult. Person maybe they call you Sir David, go they call you Dave. From there you go enter baby. That kind of thing.
Before you go say David, that big head.
You gotta call you big head. This is remember of one smally where they scope my uncle. Hi, my uncle will be titled man. We be say for his own house, His wife they call him chief. In the wife they call him baby, but the wife they attach the chief baby, chief doctor baby. So Now I can't say this man go get level until one day I go one place say make I go preach to people where they drink for bar. I don't know say my uncle did there with one smally, one principality and power.
That will come the robbing.
He come out my uncle red cap, come they rub my uncle head. Come they hit him. Baby.
She even call him baby, don't call him his name.
Baby. My uncle mad me. My uncle with his name na Chief Elvis. Say, baby, just call me LV, heavy baby.
This is the way you talk, it make me remember. Wait, this is the way you talk, like make me remember the time why I did village. You get one, this my uncle, why they call brother. Just all this our village. I think you always senior. And they call him my boyfriend. You now one girl, this one girl from my school that time. I don't know say they friends. Now they come at me. I have fun. How about Ifani? I say, who is they call Ifani? You not shocked? So you are shocked when I say, who is they call Ifani? My boyfriend or who?
It reminds me of one song where one saw somebody sing in my language. He said, "Call me my name. Pemi loruko, draw my beer. Now wetin I want chop. Now you know make me get sense."
See, feel at home. A visitor will spoil the month. Tell all these visitors where do they agree go? Let us visitors gain mind. If they just see a kukuru for your kitchen, they go like, no. Madam of the house, they will come engage you for talk. This country, you see this country, wait till this country they do. I don't like them. That discussion, they know say it go long.
It go long.
So that when food on they come out, they go come to, they come carry their phone, come they press them. One eye there for one eye there kitchen. You know, they even call them. Maybe you say you wanted them, maybe they shift their legs. They go to say you wanted to say your food already.
You said they do them. That's why you know this cook like that.
This is what they tell some people now. If they go somebody's house and I don't go first go kitchen, go bring spoon. No, I even call them because they don't see say that
familiarity. Visitor go get mine, go collect soup, still put 2 meat on top. You don't even collect one. So you don't even consider the residents of that constituency. Abeg, Wakis what segment?
I think this one is the last one.
The last one be this. Okay, who they take this one?
They take so this one talk say they know they sell fowl wey break leg for area.
This one for people wey dey steal fowl.
Wey break leg. They know they sell them for area.
No, so people they feel no bad, but if not that, so people go.
You know why you don't go sell them?
No, you know do bad
for your area. Far away break leg, you go. You rare. You go carry something wey no good. Sell give am. You know go get money. You go sell them for far place. So that they no fit trust you.
Bad thing, you know do am for environment. Do am for.
I don't go buy suits. I don't go buy suits. Now when I reach house, I can't know say wetin I buy na sweater. I don't know how the guy take package it. It be like suit.
Even some things where they see for area that they don't go sell them for that. They go far, go sell them.
You just be like person who get fake money. You understand? If I spend it for you now, you know say na me give you that 500. But I will go far, go spend that. You know that kind of level. So something way bad. They do for you.
I say if you live your life, I always take girls this thing. I don't know why I always love to talk to the women. So you know, maybe say now because of my ministry. See your character alone, for the area, if it casts. Hey, okay, then now not you they go marry you. Now not that night.
I swear.
I don't see people where they cancel their wedding. Say the person we won't come marry them. Maybe they meet for township. They don't already cast for area. They come go township, go meet one bobo. We fine. We love them. We get money. We want marry. And how that bobo come for my village? Might clear you last Christmas. This girl, they don't already finish her bride price. They don't do something for her head that same day. Canopy don't ready. They don't cook. They don't do everything. The man we want marry, I want just go peace. He just want go peace in peace. Now you one guy Colombian. Tell us say, come on, may I clear you waiting the soap. May I clear waiting the soap. See. This girl where they. Friends, so if you kiss this girl, you don't kiss the full community. Say this girl are the full society. So as he said this bros, the bros not even reason now 2 times. So because the bros don't already they hear something, but this one when you hear touch am, see the bros just enter inside, tell him mama them say it's a come. The bros enter bike, blow bike, boom, enter back, blue, leaving mama them for there. 4 o'clock don't reach, and see the holla where the husband. This girl fence 3 times. But the rice no west because I tell them say rice no feel west party na party. Even the husband know they let us just do a get together. And still community stuff.
So that's when you need to work on the rice. You eat inside the rice.
Why not go shop rice?
You shop am.
Now me chase your husband come out. Now me tell me, so just get good character so that you no go dey fear.
Yes,
if your husband people tell you they come on a village.
Life, make that person just try to keep himself
Balance things.
balance things.
Yeah, balance, yeah.
So that you don't offend the woman Nadi. He said that, you know, now those ones, now them they even they took matter for like all this. I know that they do that in a game. During that olden days, before person marry, go waka, go.
They do am.
No, you know they like before.
You know they like before, but
you know they like before.
What did they do now? Yeah. They do am via technology. They go follow you.
Okay, follow you on Instagram.
The husband go tell him distant cousin say follow and they yarn.
Yeah,
no,
they toast am.
No, they toast am. You go come they talk say you dey single and sachet. So now here we go take match break on top Wacky Sword segment for your Tekweli TV, Naija TV, Rere of the Remembrance Ministry.
Tata.
You don't do.
My people, now well, thank you.
Yes,
still Naija TV, Ogbonge TV, and this na and
Daybreak. Now we do so.
Now well done.
Yes, so like this, we go throw Paki they come up for studio. Second, say the Ogbonge Tori, they knock you Shapali Skoli, and after the Ogbonge Tori like this, we go show back to take you. They go on top health matter with Annie Olua. So no touch matter at all. Second, say we still get bumper packet for now. We they come back.
Come back.
My name na Tommy Oyewole. I beg una make una no comot that tire from Naija TV. Now go get TV way and I go enjoy.